All right, so after you've logged into Eduphoria, you're going to click on Aware, and then on the left-hand side of the screen when you get into Aware, you'll see a list of your classes. You're going to click on a class that you have a special ed student in, and then you're going to find that special ed student and click on it. When you click on that student, this is going to show up. You want to go to Forms. When you get to Forms, you'll notice that there's no special ed paperwork in here. It's because the special ed paperwork was put in last year. So you have to go to last year's year. So you got 2017, 2018. You'll notice right here, the special ed paperwork is under portfolio items. And in order to view this, you just click here. I'm not going to click it now because it'll pull up confidential information. But you click on it there, and that's where you can view the forms, and you can download it to your desktop, or you can print it if you want. And make sure that you read through all the paperwork on every one of your special ed students.